This whole video is about Vengurla Bandar, how to reach there, what are the things to do in Vengurla Bandar and so on. So as usual, I took an auto rickshaw from my hotel and it took me 100 rupees per person, or you can say per auto. It was 100 rupees, not max or not less than that. That is a fixed price for the people traveling to Vengurla Bandar, and it's just 2.1 kilometers away, and it took 10 minutes of time to reach me there. Also, I saw there were some hotels on the way to Vengurla Bandar, so that I will show you at the end of the video. I saw 2-3 hotels. I inquired at the rates and everything, so if you want to have a stay, you can stay there. I was really amazed by these beautiful scenic scenes, the blue water which will catch your eyes. So finally I approached Vengurla Bandar after a period of 10 to 15 minutes. There was no traffic in the area. Everything was very much silent in this Vengurla Bandar. There was not much of a people here. I thought it will be crowded, but since it was a weekday, there were not many people. I saw some people, they were fishing, and on the opposite side of this bandar there was a mountain which people usually go to take Instagram pics, but I didn't go there. So that's basically the entrance of Vengurla Bandar. Whenever you come to Vengurla Bandar, you will enter from this area. That's the part. And in between there were not many shops. I didn't see much of the shops if we want to have anything to eat or any activity. It was very silent place. I thought what I will do for half an hour, because I came here for a period of at least 1 hour I will spend here, and I will see. Nothing was there except cool breeze and a silent atmosphere was there. I saw a group of people fishing here and was very much curious to ask them what kind of fish they fish here, or other things relating to Vengurla Bandar, any stories they could tell me, so I could post it on my Instagram stories like that. So after inquiring, I came to know that they were fishing squids. I was very much surprised that everyone was fishing for the same fish, that was squid. This man had caught 5 to 7 squids in a period of 5 minutes of time. There were mostly black and red squids, and after inquiring I came to know that these squids they used to sell to the hotel people and then they used to eat it. It was a very depressing moment seeing those squids. For the first time in life I saw squids from such a nearby place. You can just come here, sit, relax, have a look at this place for the first time if you're coming, look people fishing, and you can go back to your hotel. Coming back to hotels, I have seen many hotels coming to while coming to this place, and I'll show you that at the end of this video. There were two hotels which I saw when I was on the way to Vengurla Bandar. Out of that, one was Hotel Vaman, and the rooms were pretty good, decent rooms. AC was there, breakfast was there, and good rooms. In this, there were 3 to 4 rooms. If a family can come or 2 3 couples can come, you all can stay here. And there's one more hotel just besides it is Sagar Darshan. So this is one more hotel where you can stay here and you can have good seafood along this beach side. So Mumbai is 512 kilometers from here, Ratnagiri is 184 kilometers from here, and Belegaon is 125 kilometers from here. And if you have seen my full video, I am really thankful to you. If you like it, please hit the like button, and for more videos and blogs, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon.